Chapter 1, number 7, you're going to simplify each expression using like terms. We have A, B, and C here. All right, let's take a look. We have to distribute first. Your 7 times 5n gets you positive 35n. Your 7 times negative 8 gets you a negative 56 here. Okay, plus 6 times 4, this gets you 24. 6 times 6n gets you a 36n. 35n and 36n, that adds up together to get you 71n. We have then a negative 56 and a 24. That gets you a negative 32. These two no longer can combine because this is considered to be your variable term and this is considered to be your constant term. So there you go. You are finished after this moment. Let's look at B. Understand that this is actually a negative 1 that is in front. Negative 1 times 3a gets you negative 3a. Negative 1 times 2 gets you negative 2. Negative 3 times 6a, it's negative 18a. Then negative 3 times 7 gets you negative 21. Right, now we can combine some like terms. Negative 3a and negative 18 gets you negative 21a. Then you have negative 21 and negative 2. That gets you negative 2 and negative 21. That gets you negative 23. And you are done at this moment because negative 21a is considered to be your variable term and negative 23 is considered to be your constant term. And these two cannot combine. C, let's distribute here. Negative 5 times a is negative 5a. Negative 5 times 2k gets you negative 10k. Negative 8 here times negative 4 gets you a positive 32. Negative 8 times 5k gets you negative 40k. All right. So notice the k's here does add. Negative 10k and negative 40k gets you negative 50k. Nothing happens here to that negative 5a. Nothing happens to that 32. This is considered to be your variable term, but of a. Then this is considered to be a variable of k. These two cannot combine because they have different letters. Lastly, this is considered to be a constant or just a number. So this would be your final answer. Negative 5a minus 50k plus 32. That would be your final answer after you simplify.